Hey, XRP family, how you doing? So, a little opening note here. When I do videos, and for a while in the last month or so, when I would do an XRP video, I had quite a few XRP comments in the videos and on X, by the way. And they were all along the lines of XRP is not it sucks. It's never going to go up. It's not a good thing, and blah blah blah. And it's funny. I've been doing this now for almost 5 years, and it's always the same thing. Whenever an asset like XRP is kind of going sideways or kind of doing its thing, everybody jumps on and hates it. But the minute that it starts going up, those people go away, and they just don't comment. I mean, I wish it was almost required that they had to come back and apologize on videos, because look, this is XRP's chart. In the last 23 days, 18 hours from here to here, XRP is up 64%. I don't care who you are talking about, whatever stock or crypto, 64% in 23 days is awesome. And it's nothing to say, well, there's nothing going on with that. There's nothing there. That's not a good crypto or stock to invest in. No, it's 64%. And I mean, I could stop there. XRP continues to go up. It's up 10% today. And the XRP news here is the fact that we are going to continue to see this asset rise. Why? Government putting together Genius Bill, Clarity Bill. The official settlement of the of the Ripple lawsuit. That's going to go away. It's done. We all know it's done, but we need the final, which we'll get. XRP ETF, 85+% chance of it getting done by the end of 2025. 85% chance. And then, quite honestly, the entire bull run crypto market really heating up and just going full steam by the end of this year. I mean, in fact, crypto is moving up faster, I think, right now than anybody expected. I think crypto is, I don't think anybody really expected to see, for example, XRP up 64% in July, and to see all these assets like XLM continue to go up and do its thing. I mean, XLM, another ISO crypto, is up 112%. Okay. I don't think that people expected this. And I think that, the haters have definitely quieted up and gone away. And a lot of those haters were like, crypto is something you shouldn't be invested in and all, blah, blah, blah. Right. And I just kind of love that they've quietly gone away. And I could say a lot more worse, but this is a G-rated show, and I'll keep it at that. But worse about the haters is what I meant. So again, why is XRP going up? Why is it moving up? Why is it up 10% today? Well, let's take a look at the asset price right now. Let's make sure we're up. Yeah, 8%. Excuse me. So it's up 7 to 8% right now, but it's high today in the last 24-hour period. It's been $3.30. $3.30. We are 16% per coin market cap away from our all-time high. Yeah, all-time high right there. $3.84. Okay. So why is it moving up? Well, I think it's all the reasons I just said earlier. ISO cryptos, just like, XRP, XLM, HBAR things, they are moving front and center, and there's a lot of capital flowing into those. I mean, if you look at, Stellar XLM right here, it's at 61% in the last 7 days. HBAR 37% in the last 7 days. And a lot of the ISO cryptos are outperforming just other cryptos. And so you've got that. But more importantly, what you've got also is you've got how liquidity moves through the market. So liquidity first goes into Bitcoin. Bitcoin had a massive amount of liquidity and capital flow into it. Went all the way to 123,000. Pulled back a little bit. Right now it's 119 or whatever it is. And then that will run for a little bit. And then that capital, some of that capital will rotate into Ethereum. We've seen Ethereum move up, right? We're seeing Ethereum up 7-8%. It's at $3,400 right now. It's up 22% in the last 7 days itself. So, and then after that liquidity moves into and starts to flow into Ethereum, it then a lot of times parallel, but also a major shift will move into major altcoins, XRP, Cardano, XLM, Solana, so forth. And that's how the flow of liquidity works. And yeah, and a lot of it's just because of everything kind of going on the national stage. The United States making moves to get the bills passed for all the crypto stablecoin legislation and all that kind of stuff. That's there, okay, and that's a thing, and that's real. And front and center every single day, talking heads. I look a lot now because I have the stock channel. By the way, speaking of that, I have the stock channel. So if you're interested, there's a link in the description below. Go check out my stock channel. If you would, go give me some support over there. I would greatly appreciate it. I'm doing stock videos over there. It's a little small channel. It's got 1,000 subscribers, but if you would subscribe, I would greatly appreciate it, and watch some of these videos. Like this one out here, 5 winning tech stocks. I outline 5 plus an additional 4 kind of outlier up and coming AI stocks. Okay. So just give it a look, and if you're interested, support that over there. Links in the description below. You'll see it. It'll just say, Austin Stock Channel. You can support that over there. Okay. So, I wasn't showing you guys that. I apologize. That's my channel. I apologize. I wasn't showing you that. So yeah, links in the description below to my stock channel. So go give it a look if you would. I appreciate it, and just subscribe and watch a couple of videos. That's that 5 winning tech stocks video. That's what I was talking about right there. So okay. So bottom line, I think we're going to continue to see XRP roll up. We're going to continue to see it do its thing. I mean, again, 23 days, 64%. We're going to continue to see liquidity flow into the market because of everything I've been talking about in this video. We're going to continue to see the haters go away, which I love because it's nice for them to just kind of quietly slink away. And then they wait in their little holes until it goes down 3%. And then they come back and go, oh, I see. I told you. It's just, I'm like, just go do something else with your life, So again, we're seeing major liquidity moving in. I mean, the market cap for the entire crypto market, 3.8 trillion. We're at all-time highs in the entire market. For the entire crypto market, we're at all-time highs. And I think we'll continue to see capital flow in. And I think, again, we're early, right? It's just July 17th. Okay. I think that this little mini bull run here that we're kind of experiencing and we've seen is the result of everything I've said in this video, but it's also been earlier. It's been earlier than everybody expected. I think most people, to an extent, including myself, weren't even really expecting this to happen until August and September, and kind of starting to see what we're seeing now happen then, which is good. Okay. All right. So before I let you go, I showed you this. This is a buy alert and no sell alert. My software 23 days ago said it was the right time to buy XRP, and it took off 64%. So $2,000 bought here of XRP, you would have already made a profit of $1,280 profit. Okay. So that's what it does. How would you like to have more profit in your pocket, in your bank account, help you achieve your goals? Because that's really what it's about. You're here watching XRP videos and crypto videos, and you're investing in these assets because why? Because you're trying to make money, right? You're trying to maybe improve your life or whatever it may be. It did the same thing for XLM, gave a buy alert right here, and XLM went up in 14 days, 112%. Same $2,000 bought would have made you over $2,200 in profit. So that's your $2,000 back plus $2,200. Okay, so that's what the software does. And by the way, it does work with stocks as well. This is Netflix. See, this is the Netflix chart. You can see like right here, buy, sell. That's a sell alert. Buy, sell. 84 days, 60%. Okay, so the software runs on an iPhone or Android, or runs on a computer, anywhere you want it. You get these little alerts, and the little alerts tell you when to buy and when to sell. Okay. Also, we have a major group behind it. I have a private community right here and behind it where you can get live training. So there is a live class today where you can ask questions. Next week on July 22nd is a live class. These classes are basically every Tuesday and Wednesday, I believe. Yeah. And there's a live class, trading and intro, and then there's trading and real-time setup. So you see these are live classes. All these classes are recorded for you, so you can watch them. And if you can't catch them live, they're recorded for you. And then there's a support community. It's here for you to be part of this community, and to ask for help and get help and talk to fellow X1 traders, get trading ideas. Like people are in here dropping in ideas on, hey, I found this crypto, it's about to boom, and all that kind of stuff. So really good stuff here. This is free as part of the deal. Okay. So the way you get access is a link in the description below. There's a link down that says X1 Algo. The software costs about $1.15 a day after that discount. Okay. The prices you will pay are cheaper than this. Okay. So $1.15 a day. Is your crypto profit future worth $1.15? You may spend more than that on a cup of coffee or a cup of tea or soda. Okay. So why not invest in yourself and your family, what have you, and give yourself an added advantage? By the way, there's a 30-day, no questions asked, money back guarantee. So if you don't like the software, you really get to try for 30 days. If you don't like it, you get an instant refund. Okay. But I promise you'll like it because it's going to make you some money. And that's what I built it for. And I made it as cheap as possible. There are trading indicators out there that are charging $300 a month. And I try to keep it as cheap as I possibly could and give it to you for about $1.15. So give it a look. Links down there. Go get it. If you're watching this on X, the links below the video as well. See you.